Almost 50,000 developers just stopped pasting code into Claude. They did one thing instead, and Claude suddenly understood their whole project. It used 71 times less of its reading budget. It stopped forgetting which file connects to which, and it started answering questions about the code base that no single file could answer alone. The thing they did is open source. It is free. It works inside Claude Code, Codex, Cursor, Gemini CLI, and even Google's new Antigravity. And it takes one line to set up. Stay till the end, and I will show you the 5 moves to use it well, and the one time you should not use it at all. Comment graph for the playbook. The tool is called Graphify. Almost 50,000 stars on GitHub in under 2 months. Shipped by an independent developer, Safi Shamsi. One line to install. Pip install Graphify, then type /graphify.in Claude Code. That is it. What it does is simple. You point it at a folder, any folder, your code, your documents, PDFs, screenshots, research papers, even videos. And it builds a visual map of how everything inside that folder connects to everything else. Then Claude does not have to read every file from scratch every time you ask a question. It just looks at the map, smaller, faster, and it actually remembers how the pieces fit together. Here is how it works in plain English. For code, Graphify reads how each file is structured, which function calls which class uses which. For documents and PDFs, it pulls out the ideas and the relationships between them. For images and screenshots, it uses Claude's eyes to read what is in them. Diagrams, whiteboards, even text in other languages. Then it groups everything related into clusters, like a city map where neighborhoods form naturally. You open it in your browser. You can search it. Click any idea. See what it connects to. The whole thing runs on your own computer. Nothing goes to a server. And it only rereads files you actually changed. Touch one file. It updates one node, not the whole graph. Now the payoff. On a 52 file project, Graphify used 71 times less of Claude's reading budget compared to letting Claude read the files directly. 71 times. The difference between a 3-cent question and a $2 one. But the real magic is what comes out. Graphify shows you God nodes, the ideas in your project that everything else connects to. Pull one of those, the whole thing breaks. It also surfaces surprising connections. 2 files you never thought were related but actually share 6 or 7 concepts, and it tags every link as confirmed, inferred, or ambiguous. So you know what Claude is sure about and what it is guessing. 5 operator moves. 1. Run it on every new repo on day 1 before you ask Claude a single question. The graph becomes your starting context. 2. Turn on watch mode. The map syncs as you edit. 3. Wire it into your Git commit hook. Free background updates. 4. Learn the 3 question types. Query for general questions. Path for how A connects to B. Explain when you want Claude to teach you one idea using the map. And 5. When not to use it. Under 4 files, the savings drop from 71 times to about 5. For tiny projects, just paste the files. Graphify shines when the code base is too big to hold in your head. 90% of you watching this haven't subscribed yet. On Facebook, the subscribe button is called Supporter. On YouTube, it is just free. One click. It tells the algorithm to send you more videos like this one. If this helped you understand something new in your AI journey, please subscribe and support the channel. It is the single biggest thing you can do for free. Comment graph below and I will send you the knowledge graph operator playbook, the install commands, the 3 question types, the watch mode setup, the git hook, the 5 moves, the one time not to use it, all in one PDF. Free. Subscribe early. Win early.